Imane ewunya ya n'ikwe dry. So I was wondering in a plan in a plan in near dry. See Auntie Gracie's method of peeling beans.
This is the quickest way.
The quickest way.
Yes,
to peel beans.
Yes.
Myself, and like add water to it in the bowl for some time before. This is the quickest way to peel beans.
Yes.
Take it from Auntie Grace.
Small time. All the canda, all
the skin
will remove.
Auntie Grace, beans are eje na battalion anyị. Hochakwa. Ahocha beans ahocha kita. I fear them. Or the same type. Obuno what the same type ka ha just side in because ihe ama njekwa na eje. I use mortar like this, but when you obele me nke ahụ kpofia onye me
ịma nke a adịghị dị otu ahụ ọ gbasa itinye ya obere ọma na echiti
okay
ka gbasa na ya pelo agono na ya This is how to remove the skin of the beef.
Auntie Grace. Just once it changes color, you're not burning it. So if you touch it, it's not like fabric. So it won't tear again. Then this one. Oh, I'm not going. Somebody should come and be collecting it. Just. This one, we'll use it as the base. one, pick these ones. The stock, you're going to wash it because we use it as the base. You use it as base for the pot. Then you wash it because it's dusty. You don't want sand to enter what you're cooking. This one, cut it again. This one we also wash it. That's why I said we shouldn't have done everything today. Bring you need a pan.
There's pan outside right now.
Wash it with foam sponge. Like, you know, if you want, you can put a little bit of soap, dishwashing soap. Oh yeah. This is the base. You crisscross it. And it doesn't burn. Oh God. Nessa. Every other thing is there already.
Yes. That eku is always missing. It's always missing.
Because they always put it at the wrong place. During Obedeli's traditional wedding, they mix this kind of thing with hot water. They just pour the water and start mixing it. The thing formed lumps. I was here now during her traditional wedding. Yeah.
Okay, hot water, more.
So they didn't know that they have to. Yeah. So the second batch I mixed it for them, they were shouting. I said, but it's common sense now. How can you just, even if it's akamo you are making? Because when it comes to anything in life, you go from known to unknown. Even if it's akamo you're making, if you don't stir it while you're pouring the hot water, it will lumps will form. Like all of them know how to make akamo. Like to turn this thing, they pour this like crazy people inside there. It's a nutmeg. Nutmeg. So the company and me. Uma leaves. This scrawny Uma leaves that they brought for us to cook with. Hey, let me try now. Patch. The thing is leaking. This one is not for moi. This one is
Hey, hello.
You're blocking the lights, guy. Mommy, you're blocking lights.
No. To watch it will work the one it will work now. Then get another scrawny. Hey, see the caviar. I think the one with the patch.
Light.
Madre.
No, lights. You don't change out lights.
I'm going to go to Madre.
She's the one that said I should tell him whether he's blocking lights or shit.
Oh, chimney, man. No.
My nigga.
Hey, yeah.
Who's on here? One word of all those on here. I know God.
Wow.
I got there. Call out to them. Green pepper there.
Sorry.
Go to the little.
Ew, it's leaking.
Licky.
What the hell? Why was that one?
We're going to patch this one with this plantain leaf. Make it right. What would you Auntie Grace brought the idea and it's a very good idea.
People are meant to clap for her now.
Clap for her. Clap for Auntie Grace.
Clap for now.
You clap.
How will I clap?
They can't bring,
Show your face.
they can't bring good idea. They can't take
Auntie Grace, show your face.
Say hi to the camera.
Let me show the show the foil into chest style. How are you going to pack it in the pot? Eh? You use what? Because if I get a pot, I have to. So that when you pack it, you can keep it like this. See the second batch. You may go.